that because Derek Williams went into foul trouble, third foul in the first half? Do you think that definitely changed up the confidence of the game?
It definitely impacted his confidence in going to the hoop, and he couldn't make his free throws when he had the chances. So he did a little better. We would have won the game. We lost by 2. So tough loss.
The reason why they lost because they didn't give Devo the ball with 15 seconds left. That's it.
The reason we lost is because the primary play for the last play was not Derek Williams with the ball.
We needed
it was
2
a three-pointer, and it should have been Derek Williams hard to the hole.
Well, I thought UConn played really good defense, and at the end, I feel like we got a little bit nervous. Threw up some threes, which I like, take the win, but also, it would have been nice if maybe we got the ball down low, maybe send them to overtime and see what it took from there. But overall, I thought it was a really good game. Glad it's over. I thought I was going to have a heart attack. Pretty intense game.
I thought the Wildcats played really well. Unfortunately, we lost, obviously, but I mean, it really comes down to coaching, and Coach Miller did an excellent job with the team. And to even make it to the Elite Eight, this is quite incredible for a team that he's been coaching for only 2 years. I'm really proud of the job he's done. The team has done an excellent job as well. So even if we didn't make it to the Final Four, I still think the Wildcats did an excellent job, and looking forward to a great year next year as well.
I've heard rumors that Derek Williams is going to stay, he's going to go, I don't know, but I hope he stays, and I've also heard that we're getting some really good recruits too. So hopefully, if those recruits come and Derek Williams stays, then I think we have a really great shot at doing even better than we did this year.